Hey, so hello everyone, this is Aakash Kandoi and I hope every one of you is doing absolutely amazing. So in this particular video, I'm going to give you all the details regarding my new CA Final FR batch, but which is for my lovely students who were demanding for a 100% English batch. There were many students who were saying that, sir, we don't understand Hindi, we want a specific batch which is in 100% English. So here I am solving your problems, right? But before discussing the details about this batch, please make sure you're targeting bare minimum 80 plus in FR. It is very important to score high in FR, and it is also scoring paper, right? If you might have heard that it is very lengthy, it is tricky, it is difficult, don't believe in all those myths. It is a very scoring paper if you are studying it with the right approach and if you are doing right amount of practice, which I will make sure that you are doing it, right? So it is a very scoring, a very important paper. Also, if you are aspiring for a rank, then scoring in FR becomes more important for you, right? So we will make sure we are scoring very high in FR. Also, just to clarify, this is an exam oriented batch, but that doesn't mean that it will not cover any specific amount of things. It will cover 100% concepts. Even if you are starting FR from the scratch, this batch is 100% suitable for you. This is more like a regular batch, but more from an exam point of view approach, right? So we will cover each and everything, each and every question, but more from exam oriented approach. So please make sure that you are not confusing that we might not be able to understand if we don't know anything about FR. You will understand each and everything discussed in this batch, right? So now, on this note, let me give you all the other details of this batch, right? So the start date is going to be 18th August. The timings are going to be in the evening, 6 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. So if you can attend live, I would 100% recommend you to attend live, because that will be the discipline for you as well. It is going to be from Monday to Saturday. It applicability may be from May 24, November 24, May 25, November 25, May 26 and onwards, right? So if your attempt falls in the new syllabus from May 24 and onwards, any attempt, this batch is suitable for you, right? Apart from that, there are two modes to opt for this batch. One is a live mode where the 100% lectures will be live. Also, a query might arise that, sir, if you are not able to attend live in any particular day, then can we get the backup of that day? The answer is 100% yes. So the backup will also be provided of the live lectures. So you can watch live and also you will get one view in backup, right? Students opting for recorded mode will get the views through Google Drive and you will get 1.8 views, right? So if your office timings suit this, please attend live. That will be the discipline for you as well. But if your office timings are clashing with this batch, please make sure, even if you are opting for the recorded batch, make sure that you are attending that batch in a very disciplined manner, which I will make sure that you are doing it. Okay, now about the books. So with this batch, you will get hard copy of books, which is going to be updated as per the new syllabus, where you will get 2 colored concept books and 2 question banks. Just to give you a gist of the same, if you want to see how the concept book looks like, so this is our concept book. For instance, you can see all the concepts are summarized in a very detailed manner, summarized yet detailed manner, right? So everything is covered in this notes with charts wherever possible, making it very interesting to read with all the keywords highlighted in red, right? Apart, this is our concept book, which will be 100% colored. Also, we have a question bank where there will be all the questions covering from ICI module, RTP, MTP, past paper. So there will be 2 sections of this concept book. For example, let's say one chapter is there. So initially we will solve all the questions of module, right? And then there is one more section where we will discuss all the questions of RTP, MTP, past paper of this particular chapter which were there, right? So the MTP, RTP chapters have also been categorized chapter wise, right? So MTP, RTPs have been categorized chapter wise. That becomes very easy for you subsequently, right? Also, it is not that because I've given the solution, I will not solve in the class. We will also make notes in the class itself. This is only for reference point of view, where you can see what ICA has done in its solution. But we will try to make class notes in the class itself, where, let's say for instance, if there is one particular chapter, so first I will give you an overview through a way of chart, like what all topics are we going to study in this batch, and then all the relevant concepts where we require the examples, we will write it down. All the relevant concepts where we require more summarization, we will write it down. And all the questions which we think that we should solve, we will also solve in the notebook also, right? So the relevant board notes will also be maintained, right? So this is about the hard copy of the books. Now let's move further. What about the coverage, sir? 100% concepts will be covered. It is more like a regular batch. So if you are willing to opt for exam oriented batch, you can go for this. If you want a fast track batch, go for this. If you want a regular batch, go for this. So one stop solution for all your queries, right? Also, there will be more than 1,000 questions which we will try to solve in class itself. Also, we will try to cover case study based MCQs, right? In the class itself, we will try to revise 3 to 4 times. Basically, if I explain a certain concept, after explaining, I revise it once. Then at the end of the class, we will revise it once. And before starting the other day, we will also revise in the start of the class. So 3 to 4 times revision is done in the class itself. Apart from that, we will also try to provide separate revision videos for your future reference, right? Test will also be provided chapter wise and full syllabus, and also we will try to conduct some test evaluation sessions where I can discuss some marking schemes with you, like how the marks are allotted in your exams. So that will be very helpful for you. So what is going to be the duration? The duration will be approximately 240 hours, which is more than sufficient for FR, where we will cover everything which is relevant from exam point of view, right? So what about doubts? So if you are attending live, you can ask the doubts in the class itself. Apart from that, I will also provide my separate WhatsApp number where you can WhatsApp me your doubts. Also, we will maintain a separate Telegram group exclusively for our batch, where only our batch students will be there, and you can also get your queries resolved through this group as well, right? Apart from that, time to time basis, we will try to conduct some Zoom sessions also, where I can guide you on a regular intervals. Doubt solving can also be done in the Zoom sessions. And apart from that, also, if you want to ask me certain preparation strategies, you can ask me that, right? Now, how to enroll for this batch, sir? So you can visit bbvirtual.com. Let me just give you a demo for the same. So let's say this is the website bbvirtuals.com. So you can click on video lectures. If you can see here, you can click on video lectures. Once you go on video lectures, you can see CA final. So click on CA final, click on financial reporting, right? Now you can find my this batch, 100% full English batch, right? Also, if you are able to understand Hindi, then I would suggest you to go for my normal regular batch, right? This normal regular batch, if you can understand little bit of Hindi. But if you cannot understand Hindi, if you want a full English batch, then only go for this batch as well. Okay, so here you can enroll, and then if there is any query unanswered in this video, comment section is yours. You can put in your comments and ask me any queries. So I'm very excited for this batch. I hope I will be able to make FR easy for you and a very scoring subject for you as well. Okay, so in case of any queries, please use the comment section. Also, if there are any of your friends who would like to enroll for this batch, do share this video with them. Okay, so thank you so much. Do subscribe to this channel. Bye bye everyone, take care, see you all.